Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mel. So today's video I wanted to do a quick relaxer update, hair chit chat, just something real chill and laid back, because I did record a relaxer update, but just going over the footage, I really didn't like the lighting, so I decided to re-record it today in just a chill, laid back kind of video, you know what I'm saying? I'm actually getting ready to film some more videos and to run some errands, possibly, depends on if it rains or not. So I just kind of wanted to do like a chit chat, get ready with me, you know what I'm saying? I'm not like a makeup pro or anything, let me put that out there, but I do wear a little bit of makeup sometimes. So yeah, let's get started. Before we get started, I just wanted to say a shout out to my new subscribers. I've gotten quite a few new subscribers lately, so welcome to the hair family, glad to have you here. And to my old, I don't even want to call you guys oldies, let me just call you guys goodies, straight up goodies, right? Thank you for sticking with me. I know over the years I have not been consistent with my channel, but I feel like I've made a turnaround this year for the better, I hope. I've tried to record every week so far, except for the weeks where I've been traveling, but hopefully I can keep this up. I think I'm on a roll. Let's see, fingers crossed I can keep it up. All right, so get started. I don't want to put a crease in my hair, but I'm gonna pin my hair back so it's not in the way. So one of my recent videos, I did a relaxer vlog and I mentioned that I do a relaxer update. So this is just gonna be a mini one because you guys already saw like the whole application process in the video. So a lot of you were asking me if I was transitioning, which by now you know that I'm not. I really was having a hard time finding a salon where I was living at the time. I guess now that I moved, I can tell you I was in Wyoming. And let's just say there's not a lot of options when it comes on to like black hair care. So now that I moved back to the East Coast, I have like a lot more options. So I was able to find a salon online, and I did ask you guys for suggestions in my rice water video for salons in the DMV area, and you guys came through, but a lot of them I saw after I had already booked my salon. So I hopped on Google and I found a salon. It's the Jade Multicultural Salon. That's the salon I ended up picking and going to. Let me tell you guys, I was nervous. Okay, so I gave them a call just to ask a few questions, like what relaxer they use, what appointment did I need to book, because they have different appointments on their website and I need to book through the website. I wanted to make sure I was booking the correct service. And like, how do they style your hair after the relaxer? Is it included in the cost? Stuff like that. From their website, I could tell that they were geared more towards natural hair care. So going in, I was kind of nervous that they tried to convince me to transition to natural hair. Now personally, I don't have a problem if people try to talk me also getting relaxers. I mean, I experience it every day, especially on YouTube. Let your curls flourish and some other stuff, I don't know. But I feel like it's disrespectful to a client if they come in for a specific service and you kind of try to sway their views or opinions or whatever. That did not happen, let me put that out there. Everybody in the salon was natural but me. I was the only person that was relaxed up in there. And they didn't even try to say, hey, you should go natural, hey, relaxers are bad. I know relaxers are bad, so are a lot of other things that we indulge in daily. So I do appreciate them not trying to influence my decision to do whatever to my hair. So as you can see from my relaxer blog, through the application and everything, they really know what they're doing when it comes on to relaxers. I really had no problem with the service. My stylist was Nidra, and she was very knowledgeable and very gracious to explain every step of the way, everything that she was doing, the products that she was using, so I appreciated that a lot. So if you're in the Richmond area and you're looking for a new salon, I would definitely recommend them, natural or relax, because those natural girls in their hair was popping. So if you haven't seen that vlog to see the whole application process, you can definitely go and check it out. And I also left their contact information in the description box of that video.
Anybody else wondering why it's 5 minutes into the video and there's still not a lick of makeup on my face? Yeah, me too.
So I'm loving where my hair is at right now. Of course, I still have that area that I'm trying to baby in the center of my hair, and I'm gonna try to show you guys when I'm done, but it's still short in the middle of my hair. I don't know, guys. I'm doing everything I can. Honestly, I've been neglecting my hair for the past couple of weeks because we've been traveling, we've been moving, there's just so much going on. My stuff is all over the place, it's in boxes, so I am just happy to be settled in so I can get back into my hair routine. Also, because I've been moving a lot and traveling a lot lately, I haven't been using the rice water, so I've taken a break. I'm not gonna stop, but I've taken a break. A lot of you guys are asking me if I was still using it, but I will be resuming it this weekend. Before I took a break though, I was experimenting with it a lot, and I have to experiment some more before I share with you what I've been doing. I want to make sure that it's something worth sharing, it's something that works, you know what I'm saying? I don't just try something one time and then hop on here and be like, hey, this works. I want to make sure that it's something that really works and something that I actually stand by. So stay tuned for a rice water update very soon. I did intend to pause the rice water for a little bit because I just got a relaxer. I want to enjoy this for a little bit, guys. It's been months. I want to enjoy it for a little bit, you know? I'm not trying to deal with new growth as soon as I get a relaxer. So yeah, but I will be resuming it pretty soon because I have been neglecting my hair a little bit. Not on purpose, so I did notice a little bit of breakage, but the rice water will fix that right up for me. So I cannot multitask to save my life. I've been on my eyebrows for like 10 minutes almost. I can't like talk and do stuff. Is it just me? Ooh, let me put this on silent real quick. Okay, so I'll put a little list of stuff to talk about because if I don't, I will forget and be all over the place. So I want to do more length checks on my video more consistently, and while my focus isn't on length right now, because honestly long hair isn't all that it's chopped up to be. Is it chopped up? That doesn't sound right. People are run down long hair and don't realize that the longer your hair gets, the longer your wash days get, the longer your styling time is. It's a whole nother game, guys. But the reason I want to do length checks is because I noticed that it motivates a lot of you guys. And when you think about it, retaining length is an indicator of healthy hair. So if you see me taking care of my hair and me retaining length, that might inspire you to take better care of your hair. Does that make sense? Let me know if you guys want more length checks. I really don't want the focus to be on length, honestly. Once you take care of your hair and it's healthy, the length will come. It will come. But length checks might be a motivating factor for some. People are motivated differently, and I want to make sure I'm catering for everyone. So when I first got my relaxer, I did go ahead and took a picture, and I think I did a video as well using my length check shirt. I do not use that shirt often enough, so from now on I'm going to be using that more consistently in my relaxer updates or in general in my videos, because my pay feed, I'm just have it a sit down, not none. So I've been using that shirt. I'm going to be marking all over it because it has lines in the back with the numbers. You guys know what a length check shirt is. But also I'm going to be marking in the front where my hair stops, because some of you guys are just visual people. You just want to see, you know what I'm saying? And I really don't have a problem doing that. That's the least I can do. Also, I'm thinking about doing like a growth challenge for the summer. I won't be doing it right now. I feel like I'd start it more like June, July, because I got my relaxer end of March and I want to enjoy it for a little bit. So April, May, I can let my hair down, enjoy it a little bit, and then June, July, I'm thinking about like doing either a protective style challenge or even a rice water challenge, and then I can get my relaxer in August for my birthday. Let me know what you guys think. Would you guys be into like doing a challenge? It could be like a fun summer thing. And also I was thinking of starting a Facebook group so we can keep track of each other's goals and stuff like that. So let me know what you guys think. If you have any names, drop them down below. I have a few in mind that were suggested to me by like close friends and stuff. But if you have something cool, let me know. The focus is going to be on hair care. You don't have to be relaxed, you can be natural. And just like overall wellness, you know. A lot of us are like focused on the health of our hair or our bodies and still putting junk in it, you know what I'm saying? It sounds kind of exciting, even though it's just an idea. But I'm thinking like rice water, protective styling, and like eating right. Because a lot of people take that for granted, you know, that what you put in your body affects your hair. And it's not even just for our hair, just for our overall well-being, health. Throw some exercise in there while we're at it. We're going hard, okay? Another thing I was thinking about doing is a series. I've been thinking about it for a very long time. Series, stop.
It's your opinion that counts.
I said series and she thought I said series. Yeah, I've been thinking about it for a very long time to start a series on my channel. I had the name since last year, I feel like. Yeah, last year when I wasn't posting videos. A series called Relax Brands, where I'd share my experiences, like hair related experiences. I did record one the other day and I don't know where the footage went. I'm so unlucky. Like I recorded a bunch of videos the other day and I don't know where it went. So I guess I have to record it again, but I have a bunch of topics that I want to discuss. So you guys stay tuned for that. And now that I put it out there, I'm gonna have to do it. I always say I'm gonna do stuff and I don't. But you know what I'm trying to do? I'm trying to put it out there so you guys can hold me accountable. Please. Just take time with me here. All in all, I'm just trying to be consistent with YouTube and just like all areas of my life. Like I feel like I struggle with consistency. But when it comes on to YouTube, I've been on YouTube for a minute now. I think I joined in 2011. Of course, all those videos are privated because they're so embarrassing. But I feel like this year I've been doing really good and I want to keep it going because I like the little family that we're building right here. I mean, I started my channel so that I could take better care of my hair. I did have a few other things mixed in there as well. They will never see the light of day again. They're all privated or deleted. But I started my channel to take better care of my hair. And over the years, like a lot of relaxed hair YouTubers, they just kind of went natural. So now I got motivated to keep the videos coming from my relaxed girls. There's a stigma that us relaxed girls can't have long hair. I mean, it's bad enough that there's a stereotype that black people can't have long hair, but I feel like with us relaxed girls it's worse because it's just like relaxed hair can't be healthy. So we are here to shatter that. And this is not just a space for girls with relaxed hair. I welcome natural girls if you want to join the family. Hey girl. I feel like relaxed girls nowadays don't really have like a space to like be themselves without judgment, you know, and it's really not serious. It's just hair. It's just hair. You don't have people telling you what to do with your bodies, so I don't think it's fair for you to tell other people what to do with theirs. That's just my opinion on it. So this is just like a safe haven for relaxed girls to come and not feel any judgment. If you're natural, you're welcome to, because I love natural hair. I just choose to get relaxers right now, okay? I don't hate my hair, okay? I don't even know where that even come from, like relaxed girls are self-hating. That is just another video. That might actually be my first relaxed rant, so stay tuned for that. It's just crazy to me. Should I do lashes? I'm really gonna embarrass myself on here, put on lashes. Let's try it. Let me put some mascara on first. But I hope you guys are enjoying my content. Feel free to drop suggestions. If you have any, like, I want to know what you guys want to watch, you know. You see my baby lashes? Some of you guys have been so sweet, leaving the sweetest comments saying I don't need makeup and stuff. I don't, but it's fun to put it on sometimes. I'm really not one that's like insecure about myself just because that takes too much energy, man. But that's just me. But makeup is fun to play in sometimes. I do enjoy playing in makeup. Ooh, I forgot to contour. I don't know how much of a contour this is gonna be, but yeah, it's just a darker powder. Okay, I haven't seen nothing. I was out a couple days ago, so I'm probably got a little darker. Ooh, Damien's calling me. Oh, he's home. Hey. Oh, Jesus, I forgot about my lashes. They're probably too dry now. And I'm not going to include this because I'm going to look like a coffee, so BRB. I think they're on there. They look so like dramatic. These are the Ardell Wispies. Can you tell I'm not used to lashes? But it's fun to pop them on every once in a while. So that is it. Fix my hair. By now I hope I've included that like back shot of my hair with the like check shirt, so you guys can see where my hair is at right now. And as I said before, I hope to be doing these a little bit more consistently. If you guys have any questions, you know where to find me down in the comment box. I try to respond to every single comment. I really do try, guys. I'm sure a few of you know that. I see a few of you under every single videos. I won't start naming any names because I don't want to forget anybody, but I see you guys. You know who you are. So thank you guys so much for the support. And that's it for this video. I hope it wasn't all over the place. I won't know until I go to edit and I'm just like, girl, get it together. You're like a goldfish. I'm so easily distracted when I do videos like this. But I hope it was still enjoyable for you guys. And not to go on anymore, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Olande. I forgot to highlight. How could I? How could I? How could I? Even though that's just highlighting the bumps I have over here, which we're gonna fix that. Let's throw that in the challenge too. We're gonna fix that skin challenge too. Alright, I think that's enough. Alright, for real. See you guys in my next video. Bye.